The electronic strip maps are not in service. Please listen for announcements and watch the displays.
This is 125th Street.
Transfer is available to the 5 and 6 trains.
Transfer is available to the M60 Select Bus Service to LaGuardia Airport. Connection is available to Metro North. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform. This is a 3rd Avenue, 138th Street bound 4 train via the 6 line. The next and last stop is 3rd Avenue, 138th Street.
Once again, passengers for service to the Bronx via the 4 train, transfer here for service up to Woodlawn, transfer here to a northbound 4 train. On 3rd Ave, 138 will be the next and last stop on this train. Your passengers for service to Woodlawn, transfer across the platform to that 4 train. We'll go back to Woodlawn. Service to the Bronx via the 4, transfer across the platform to that 4 train.
Downstairs, downtown service.
Plaza.